We Had to Heal, Exploring Personal Healing Journeys. Intro. The need for emotional release became anxiety for me. Sobriety and change can be enough for some, but for me, there was a burn. Deep from the belly, deep from the heart. Pain from an angry liver made the call. I had to heal. My story. In my journey, it became clear there were residual blank spots in my perceptions, emotions, and more than a little muddled thinking. In my recovery groups, group therapy and my therapist, jour, all knew my past and grateful transformation. Brutal honesty as a self-flaggelation tool and a neediness stitched to a desire to talk about me was the challenge. Physical limitations from abusing myself for so long makes the ticking clock louder. What are the challenges? Challenges must be faced in any healing journey. Environs, self-doubt or past traumas may need an eviction notice to make room for a little joy. Lack of support, uncertainty about the future, roadblocks with many flavoured intention. So, how? Options are endless and as varied as musical tastes, having a mission, a goal to gauge by, and the courage to pursue it. Do I know? The problem. Do I believe there is a solution? You want it? Do the work, get the results, share it, grow it. It is all about balance and seeing through a new pair of glasses. The repeated suggestion from those in my circle, and most TV therapists kept using the word journaling. As one well-versed in living a story, with a history of polishing my verse for a letter home or to a parole board while in prison at 18, it made sense. And I had to heal. There was the purge of journaling and the craft moulded into a coping skill. I am positioned to wield it like an axe, clearing the forest for that one tree. Continual writing, rewriting, breathwork, and mindfulness provide the impetus and means to heal physically with medical and alternative medicines. And voila! Some may benefit like me by investigating cannabis-based additions or replacements. Start with a treatment care plan. https://bit.ly CDB plan. My process, free-flowing, stream of consciousness revealed some release. I learned the art of it all by paring down the mass to a more poetic-ish form while documenting the travelled roads. I'm not a tactile artist, though my eye for art is defined and mind-open. However, I can't paint, sculpt, or play music. I'm not an artist or photographer, except I am. These skills and talents are, however, proven to be the method to solutions, the path, and more so, the proof. I can draw a word and have lived a life of the good, the bad, and the ugly. So I process it daily, keep an open mind, and show my gratitude by leaving the messages behind in perpetuity. So now what? It is an imperative to balance all. And I was taught willingness without action is fantasy. We are complicated, embarking on a healing journey and the transformative power it can have on a life. My experience is mine. Yours is as well. Find it. There are as many paths as there are people. My hope for you, share your own healing stories in the comments. Watch this space for more. Similar. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. https://bit.ly/sidvid. Join us in the cafe for members. https://bit.ly/CID cafe. Visit my friends at Bloom Health. https://bit.ly CDB plan for your free cannabis treatment plan and all the science. https://bit.ly holistic green nurse.